Gonna be putting cylinders back into this case tractor. Just kind of get the clean area and where the pin's gonna go.
You do that at work too? They don't allow you. They catch you.
No, I can do it if I want.
That's the one that goes there. Look at it.
One down. I'm gonna connect the lines, clean out these GIC fittings. What size is that? 1 1/8 on the little ones. Pairing the pinhole for the main boom cylinder. Checking. It's got a little bit of pitting, but hit that with some emery cloth, clean it up. I went ahead and moved to the leg cylinders purely so we can have stability and able to use the hydraulics to better align some of the pins on this. But we gotta take these caps out. We use caps pretty much anywhere we can and where we have any caps to plug it. That way we can use the hydraulics without disturbing any of the other cylinders. Not the best tool for every job, but definitely usable for any job. All right. Ooh, hello. Clutch. This damn tractor's got more class than some of these new cars. All right. Alright, big one in. Alright. It's okay.
Alright.
You need more? You need more room? Well, I'm done with that for now. The last cylinder for the extension and retraction, that one's going to be a pain in the butt. But I was able, between me and my dad, to get pretty much all the other cylinders on and functional. We just need to do the extension and retraction, and then we can work on getting the bucket put back on. Right now it's going to be our base. So we got that one put up. This cylinder is not actually in. We're going to have to get something to go up in there and fish the hydraulic lines through this center channel. And then once they're connected, which they connect right there, once those are connected, we can actually push this cylinder out. This isn't super heavy, so me and my dad can lift this up and kind of fish the boom end. I'll be driving it back, have this propped up, and we'll kind of fish it into this channel enough to where we can drive a pin through this spot right here, and then we'll just suck that cylinder and whole extension back on to the neck. And as for the wear pads, they actually don't look too bad. They were just caked up with grease, which we will be re-greasing. I done cleaned off a bunch of the old grease. We're hitting it with a wire wheel to get these chunks of rust and stuff off. But other than that, really all we got to do now is clean up all these grooves, throw some new snap rings in, new washers, and then this thing will be ready to go again. He's got to dig a trench to get rid of water on the other part of his property. He's pulling up now.